Want to watch YouTube TV on your Toshiba Smart TV? This guide will show you how to set up and enjoy YouTube TV on your Toshiba TV effortlessly. Step 1. Check compatibility. White heavy checkmark ensure your Toshiba Smart TV supports Android TV or Amazon Fire TV. White heavy checkmark confirm that your YouTube TV app is installed and updated on your TV. Step 2. Install YouTube TV on Toshiba Smart TV. Keycap 1. Press the home button on your Toshiba remote to access the main menu. Keycap 2. Open the Google Play Store or Amazon App Store, depending on your TV model. Keycap 3. Search for YouTube TV in the App Store. Keycap 4. Click Install to download the app onto your TV. Keycap 5. Once the installation is complete, open the app from the home screen or apps section. Step 3. Sign into YouTube TV. Keycap 1. Launch the YouTube TV app. Keycap 2. Select Sign in on the welcome screen. Keycap 3. Go to youtube.com/start on your smartphone or computer. Keycap 4. Enter the activation code displayed on your TV. Keycap 5. Log in using your Google account linked to YouTube TV. Step 4. Explore YouTube TV features. Once signed in, you can white heavy checkmark browse live channels and watch on-demand content. White heavy checkmark access your DVR recordings to catch up on shows. White heavy checkmark use the search bar to find specific content. White heavy checkmark adjust video quality settings to match your internet speed. Step 5. Troubleshooting and AMP optimization. Small blue diamond app not working? Restart your Toshiba Smart TV or reinstall the app. Small blue diamond slow streaming? Check your Wi-Fi connection or switch to Ethernet for more stable performance. Small blue diamond no sound or video? Make sure to check your audio and video settings. Bonus tip. For optimal viewing, consider adjusting your display settings like brightness and contrast, especially for evening viewing. Enjoy YouTube TV on your Toshiba Smart TV. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more tech tips and updates.